Hello students, today we'll discuss about electric dipole. In your CBSE 2025 exam, you can find some question related to electric dipole. So, what is an electric dipole? The electric dipole is consisting of two equal and opposite charges separated by some distance apart. So suppose the distance between them is 2a, this is your center of dipole, the charges are placed at A and B. So this type of configuration is known as your electric dipole. Now in this electric dipole, another physical quantity is there, that is known as your electric dipole moment, and this is denoted by P. So the formula for this P will be equal to your magnitude of either charge and the distance between them. This is a vector quantity, and the direction of this electric dipole moment will be from negative to positive charge. So the SI unit of this electric dipole moment will be, you can say this will be, charge is coulomb and the distance is meter. So the SI unit is coulomb meter. So regarding your electric dipole, other questions may be asked in your exam regarding that electric field intensity due to an electric dipole on the axial line or on equatorial line or at any point, and also the torque experienced by electric dipole when placed in a uniform electric field, and also the potential energy stored in an electric dipole when it is placed in a uniform electric field. So only formula I will write down, the derivation part in the next class. So the torque experienced by an electric dipole when placed in a uniform electric field, the formula is tau is equal to P cross E. So this is known as your P sin theta. This will be the magnitude, and direction is your n cap. Similarly, the potential energy stored is equal to minus P dot E. So dot product, so this is a scalar quantity, so this will be P cos theta. In this case, we have assumed the initial position as 90 degree and the final position as theta. So if the initial position some angle is given and the final position is given, then we can write this one as Pe cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2. So the potential energy, we can conclude that whether an electric dipole will be in a stable equilibrium or it will be in a unstable equilibrium. How? You can find out objective type questions asked. This will be your, suppose your theta is equal to, that is 0 degree, so we can find your potential energy is equal to minus Pe cos 0 degree is equal to 1. So this is minus Pe. So potential energy is negative, that means the type of equilibrium is stable equilibrium. But whereas if this theta is equal to 90 degree, then we can find your potential energy is equal to 0, because cos 90 degree is equal to 0. Similarly, if theta is equal to 180 degree, we can find your u will be equal to minus Pe. The value of cos 180 degree is minus 1, so this will be plus Pe. So in this case, when the potential energy is 0 or potential energy is positive, so the type of equilibrium will be unstable equilibrium. So you can find out in your MCQ these type of questions. Thank you.